गुड मॉर्निंग भाई और बहनों और मेरे दोस्तों, आप सब लोग कैसे हो। आज के लिए मैं रेडी हो चुका हूँ, तैयार हो चुका हूँ। तो फ़िलहाल के लिए अभी मेरा दोस्त के लिए रुक रहा है, वो थोड़ा देर के बाद आ जाएंगे, फिर हम लोग निकल जाएंगे काम के लिए। आगे का ब्लॉग में देखिएगा आज हम लोग क्या करते हैं क्या नहीं करते हैं, और अगर कुछ टाइम मिलेगा तो हम लोग जगह भी दिखाएंगे। तो फ़िलहाल के लिए थोड़ी देर के बाद मिलते हैं, चलो। गाइस, मैं आप लोग को कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ। मैं जब काम करने जाता हूँ ना, मैं एक ये बड़ा सा बैग लेके जाता हूँ हर रोज़। देखिए, ये है मेरा बैग। मैं इसको हमेशा लेके जाता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे लैपटॉप चाहिए काम के लिए। तो मेरा जैकेट भी है एंड देन माय वाटर। दिस इज़ व्हाट आई कैरी। सी यू इन सम मिनट्स।
I didn't graduate for undergrad also. I was in the COVID batch. So I've never had cap and gown ever. Sad. No pictures. Where's your sister?
I think it's cold. He or she is getting cold. Hi guys, this is Nick again in the vlog, and today we met a new friend, Shreya. Hi Shreya, this is something.
Say something.
Say something, yeah.
Bangalore is fun.
Yeah. We're actually out here. We're trying to ask around people if there are any trends that they're following and which they want to follow. We're just gonna do a couple of vox pop probably, and Shreya with us is going to help us. Yeah. We're right now hunting for people who we're gonna ask questions to. In some minute we will probably get some people.
Hey guys. Hey, please listen. We're working for Deccan Herald and we're just doing some bit of research. So I just want to know, are you guys like very active on social media?
I'm not that active.
Are you from Bangalore?
I'm from Mysore.
And you've been around Bangalore then. Have you been following a lot of reels about Bangalore by any chance? So are there like any social media trends that you've noticed like that are related to Bangalore? Whether it's like food or shopping?
Food, shopping, street shopping.
Oh nice. So is there anything that you've tried out so far?
I'm come here to try to see.
Okay, what are you looking to
I
try?
came here for that Polaroid thing, but that is closed over here.
Oh, the booth at the end of
that
the road.
one.
It's closed.
Yes.
You should try coming on the weekend. It's usually
Maybe. Then I
more
thought
full.
I'd seen one in the metro station, so I was thinking.
On the first floor. Okay. Thank you so much. Just wanted to know.
We're looking for the next target. Target.
No, now next you guys are doing.
Yeah, it is your next. So after that,
You are the vlogger. You should shoot
No, I'll
some
do the
content.
I'll shoot you.
You should be in the foreground.
all right. Are you on Instagram? So have you been following any trends on Instagram lately? Are you aware of any such trends happening around you? Like what? What are the trends that you're aware of?
कौन सा है?
ये रहा था कॉमेडी अब ऑन शिफ्ट में इसलिए नहीं आ रहे हो कि कोई और
हाँ नहीं और शिफ्ट में रिसर्च
पक्का
कर रहे हैं.
बाकी किस चीज़ पे
Digital
क्या
trends.
अनएम्प्लॉय लोग कैसे दिखते वैसे अरे
आपने यहाँ कोई ऐसे डिजिटल ट्रेंड्स देखे हैं? हम बस ऐसे हमें आर्टिकल्स लिखने हैं. तो बैंगलोर में ऐसे कोई डिजिटल ट्रेंड्स आप कॉमेडी सीन के बारे में ही बता दो कि
गाइस अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे कॉमेडी थिएटर है तो यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं.
researching on digital trends in Bangalore. Do you think there are any trends that is happening like bursting within the comedy scene? I know there are panel shows that are going pretty viral. So is there anything happening here? Do you think people are coming for anything within comedy?
You're just recording, sir, not me.
Oh, are you okay with that also? Okay. No, I thought you won't be okay, so I was just recording. Yeah.
This is just
I
for
don't know what you mean
research.
by digital trends. Everything is digital, right?
Yeah.
So what do you mean by digital trends?
Any shift that you have seen after this? Like there are some digital trends that is going on these days.
Yeah, the main thing, of course, is we would like more live audiences because people are consuming comedy, just music as well. online.
Yeah.
But music can be consumed like that. Because music doesn't need attention or it's not interactive. But comedy change my joke or not laughing will change what type of jokes I do.
Right.
So the material changes based on the comedy reaction.
Are there a lot of people coming in? Because you're also
Yeah.
on Church Street.
Yeah, there are people coming in. Depends.
So the crowd is more
Plus
Gen Z.
affordability also. Gen Z can afford these tickets. $300. Whereas
You guys can come here in Church Street, visit the comedy theater every day at what time?
every day we start at 4 to 11.
4 to
Every
11.
90 minutes we have a show.
So there's an open comedy, right? Open stand-up comedy.
No, it's not open. It's a curated mic.
Okay.
Selected comics of Bangalore and the rest of India
Okay.
will perform in English and Hindi.
Anna.
आप बैंगलोर से ही हो?
तेलुगु नहीं जनवरी लास्ट
और फिर आप आंध्रा चले जाओगे।
हाँ बेंगलुरु काम जाता
So आपको
एक पैकेट में है 200 150 में
अगर आप एक पैकेट सेल करते तो कितना मिलता है?
एक पैकेट में 100 मिलता है 50 रुपये मांगता है 6 रुपीस 9 रुपीस रहेगा 200 एक पैकेट
आप हर साल यहाँ बैठते हो?
नहीं
पहली बार है।
जनवरी हो गया खत्म हो गया अभी रेस्ट नहीं लगा था ले गएगा हमको घर को निकल
हाँ अगर हाँ तो
घर को निकल
घर आंध्रा में बेचते हो आप ये?
आंध्र में नहीं
नहीं बेचते सिर्फ बैंगलोर
गाइस इसका फर्स्ट बॉक्स पॉप हो गया है बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वीडियो में रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाया.
food reels. People, that's it. And the
Food
comedy
reels, yeah.
guy gave us comedy.
Comedy.
Inside. But yeah.
Yeah, you look good.
I look like a
Now like
Ooh, damn.
what do you say that?
what do you call it?
That angel of
Hello,
love?
hello.
No, that
Hello.
angel of love.
Angel of love.
Hey bro,
Christmas.
Wow, looking cute. Guys, तो हम लोग वापस अभी जा रहे हैं. We're going back because we already got some ideas what to go about this, how to go about it basically. So अभी जाएंगे हम लोग थोड़ा ऑफिस में वापस. तो आप लोग से मिलते हैं थोड़ा देर बाद. Guys, do you have any idea what is this? What is this?
Looks like some coder made it.
Okay. Oh, I actually thought it would work looking from afar. We're at metro station. So dosto, we are done for today and we are leaving. We are leaving a little early. We had our dinner, which I didn't show it to you today, but we are leaving now.
we have very good content to show today.
Yeah, actually we got some good contents today.
भाई और बहनों और मेरे दोस्तों, आज का ब्लॉग इधर ही ख़त्म करते हैं.